In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Roblox lag on mobile. First thing you want to do is close all the background apps. For that, open your app switcher and tap on the close all option. Once you have closed all the background apps, next thing you want to do is free up storage. For that, open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on device care, then tap on storage. Over here, you want to delete unused or heavy apps and files to free up storage space. Next thing you want to do is restart your device. For that, press the power button, turn it off, wait for a few minutes, and then turn it back on. Next, you want to update your device. For that, head over to settings, then scroll down and tap on software update. Now here, find if there is any software update available and install any available system updates. Next, you want to update the Roblox app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search Roblox. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Lastly, you want to improve your internet connection. Stay close to your Wi-Fi router and use a strong and stable internet connection. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.